Imagine stirring your morning coffee and the foam starts spinning one way, but the swirls point the other way. You'd probably think you're still dreaming, right? Well, in the constellation Centaurus, there's a galaxy doing exactly that. Meet NGC 4622, the cosmic rebel that refuses to follow the laws of physics, or so it seems.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
To understand why this is weird, we need a quick lesson in galactic etiquette. Standard spiral galaxies have trailing arms. Think of them like the wake behind a boat. They curve away from the direction of travel. Astronomers long assumed this was the only way it worked. If the galaxy spins clockwise, the arms should point counterclockwise. Simple, right? Then came NGC 4622. When the Hubble Heritage team looked closer, they found something impossible. This galaxy has two outer arms that are leading, meaning they point into the direction of the spin. It's like a runner sprinting forward while their hair blows into their face instead of behind them. It's a total physics party foul that left scientists scratching their heads for years. So, how do you break the universe? According to research published by NASA and the ESA, the secret is a galactic hit and run. Simulations suggest that NGC 4622 swallowed a smaller companion galaxy ages ago. That massive gravitational belly flop created ripples that essentially tricked the gas and stars into forming arms that face the wrong way. It's not just spinning, it's recovering from a crash. This discovery was a huge deal because it proved that spiral arms aren't permanent structures. They're dynamic waves of density. NGC 4622 is the ultimate proof that in space, history is written in the stars, sometimes literally backwards. It's a beautiful, chaotic reminder that the more we look, the more the universe surprises us. So here is a question for the cosmic detectives out there. If you could name this backwards galaxy something more exciting than NGC 4622, what would it be? Let me know your best ideas in the comments below. See you in the next orbit.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.